people, welcome back to the channel. So by now we have built a perfect homepage that grabs attention and an about us page that builds trust. But now it's time for the real decision maker, the service page. This is the page that shows your visitor that you understand their problem and why your service is the perfect solution they have been searching for. So let's dive in and design a service detail page with Elementor add-on that's clear, convincing, and action-driven. Alright, let's take a quick look at this perfect example of a service detail page template. So first we start with the hero section. A bold headline, a quick description for the context, and a clear CTA that guide visitor to take action. Next section is the service overview. This is where we briefly explain what you offer and how it solves your visitor's problem. Keep it simple and focused on the benefit. Then we will move to the how it works section. We'll break down your process step by step so visitors know exactly what to expect when they click Get Started. After that, we'll highlight why visitors should choose you. This section builds trust by showcasing your expertise and unique selling points. And finally, the testimonial section, the social proof, will feature real customer reviews to build credibility and trust. Now, without further ado, let's design this perfect service detail page step by step. Alright, first thing first, the hero section. You know the drill. So we usually kick off our pages with a consistent design. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna head over to one of our previous pages, copy that first section, and paste it here. Super quick. Then I will tweak it a bit to fit this page. I always recommend leading with a headline that highlights the real-life benefits your service delivers. Something like making your life easier, one service at a time, or something that suits you. Right underneath, add a subheadline that calls out the specific challenges your audience is facing. This is your chance to show empathy and understanding, which goes a long way in building trust. And now the button. I'm actually gonna keep the same button we use on the home page because it just makes things feel more connected across the site. Next up, updating the image. So since this is a service page, the image needs to feel, well, more servicey, I guess. I mean, something that shows what you offer. Visitors do not have to think twice and it keeps things familiar and smooth. You know it, guys, this section is seriously the same as we built on our previous pages. And all that was done in just few minutes. And of course, thanks to extra add-ons, advanced and flexible widgets. Okay, moving on to the next section, which is service overview. Let's give visitor a clear, no-nonsense overview of what this service is all about. So for that, set a headline and a description first. I usually like to copy the headline and the description from the previous pages, so I don't have to set the font size, style, and color from the scratch. Since I already set it on the first page, so I'm just gonna use the same style on all the pages to maintain the consistency. Then I simply just change the text of it. For the headlines, use the words that are clear and direct. And then the description, briefly explain the service in a way that's easy to understand. Also guys, this is a good spot to naturally include your main service keyword. Don't force it, just use it naturally. Okay, then in the next container, I like to use a 2-column layout. On one side, I will use the Explore icon list widget to break down exactly what's included in this service and how it benefits you. You can build it from the scratch, but on my About Us page, I have already used this widget to show a list of the points on why choose us. So I'm gonna copy the same list here and just change the text and the icons accordingly. Okay, so for this list, make sure each point should answer the question, what's in it for me? I mean, for your potential client. Also, this kind of bullet point format is just gold for SEO. It's easy for search engines to scan, and it may even show up as a featured snippet if done right. Now, on the other side, add a picture. Choose an image that represents your service. Okay, let's move on to the next section. People love knowing what to expect next when they click on the action button. So let's map out the process in a way that feels simple and reassuring. So you know the drill, we will copy paste the headline and the description and change the text. See, the thing is, you need to start every section with a headline and its description. It's really important for the visitor as it guides them through the content. Next, I'm using the Xpro Step Flow widget to lay out the journey in 3 easy steps. Keep each step short and use icon to make it visually appealing. The goal is to remove any uncertainty so your visitor feels confident about taking the next step. Guys, Xpro Step Flow widget is perfect if you want to create a clear and engaging process flow. You can build so many designs with this widget like timelines, step-by-step guides, and more. And the fun thing is, it's completely free. We have a complete tutorial, a step-by-step guide on how to use this widget. So go check that out. So moving down to our next section is why choose our service. Now, if you have watched my homepage video, you will remember we have talked about building trust and standing out. So on your service page, this is where you get specific. I mean, why this service, your service, is the one they should pick. In my case, that's the ocean cargo service. Now, if you're new to the series, here's the quick thing. Use this section to share what makes your approach different. Maybe it's your years of specialized experience, your unique process, or the kind of results you have consistently delivered. Don't just list the feature. Highlight the benefits those features bring to the client. Personally, I like to use the Xpro Info List widget here to present those key points in a clean, visual way. But remember, the real magic is in the words. Focus on the genuine strength. Don't just say we care. Show that you care. Remember, these points are not just a box to check. They should answer the unspoken question every visitor has. For example, why should I trust you with my cargo service? This is your moment to connect on a human level. Build trust, build confidence, and make your value deniable. And that's how you design a service detail page that addresses your audience need and motivates them to take action. So guys, give these techniques a try and you can build a service page that can really boost your conversions. Now, if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.